Good game. Good.
It was fun.
Yes.
I enjoyed it.
It was. It was a lot of fun once you calmed down.
Yeah.
And you started winning once you calmed down.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta realize it's only a game. It's nothing that serious. We're just having fun.
Hey, I won one. That's all that matters. I won one.
You did.
Well, if that's all that matters, then maybe I should have won one. I still don't see the box.
Honey, look in the office. It was on the table, so I don't know what happened.
I'm just... Okay, that's not fair. I had slippers under there. Dad, where are my slippers?
I don't know. I'll be in your closet. You don't have to that good.
Yeah, I don't know where the box is.
Oh, Christopher, that was fun.
I know.
We got to do that again, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
That
good.
was a very fun game.
I got the shoes on uncomfortably, but I can come out and say goodbye.
Oh, it's cold out there, Christopher.
Honey, you don't need to come
You
out.
can
It's
say,
too cold.
Sharon, your glasses.
Oh, it's not that bad.
You gotta have.
Yeah, you too.
Christopher, get inside.
Christopher, go inside, honey. It's cold.
Come on.
I'll see you later.
Okay.
All right.
Come on.
All right.
Get your PJs on.
Ow. Oh, that hurt.
Hey, Reek.
That was fun.
It was fun.